If your favorite pirate also speaks Puffin, you're in for a treat. Johnny Depp's done it again, that's right folks. Johnny Depp has crafted an entire language for his character Johnny Puff in the animated movie Johnny Puff's Secret Mission. Known for iconic roles like Captain Jack Sparrow, Depp brings his signature charm to this whimsical sea parrot. In a recent featurette, Depp shared his process, blending his voice with real Puffin sounds to create something totally unique. It's playful, it's quirky, and it's pure Depp magic. Johnny Puff's Secret Mission will have a limited theatrical release before hitting digital platforms like Vudu and satellite TV providers. So, movie buffs, mark your calendars and get ready to dive into this feathered adventure. And remember, this isn't Depp's first voice acting gig. He's also voiced characters in Corpse Bride and the Oscar-winning Rango. Johnny Puff is sure to be another memorable addition to his animated repertoire. Check it out and get ready to speak a little Puffin.